Hey guys, look what I have. I just received the new Tonic craft kit. I believe it's 91. I'm not positive, but we'll soon find out. Anyway, this is the May kit, and I just got it. So let us take a look. I'm gonna take the box away, and that'll give us more room. It is 91. So the if you followed me, you know in the very beginning I was getting all of the kits every month. But now I'm very choosy. For one thing, I don't do very much 3D, and they've done a lot recently, different 3D, like little jars, all kinds of different 3D things, and I do cards, so that saves me money. And then because I have so many supplies, you know, I'm trying to be very good, and I've mentioned this before about only getting things that are different that I don't have, instead of getting things that are just kind of the same, slightly different or whatever. So, but I did fall in love with this one, and so I did decide to get it, and it is number 91, and it's called Butterfly Frames. And I have so many butterflies, but this was just different, and it just spoke to me, I guess. So let's take a look. We'll get this out of the way. It comes with a 5x7, a 10-pack of bright white 5x7 cards and envelopes. So that's always nice. And it's funny because I was just thinking the other day, I was pulling out some old Crafter's Companion envelope sets. I used to also get their original craft kits, a monthly craft kit, and each one of those came with different envelopes. But after a while, they didn't have the A2 size anymore. They had, you know, they'd have 5x7 cards, the 6x6 or 8x8s, and then they started putting in 4x6s, which is close to an A2, but it's just I don't know, an odd size. So I actually went through the other days a bunch of those envelopes, and I don't do square cards because it costs more money here, as you know. And so I cut those in half, and they're very thick, and they'll make great die cuts. But I did think, it's been a while since I've made 5x7 cards, so I think that I'm going to start trying to incorporate that at least, you know, maybe once every couple of weeks or whatever, because it does give you a lot more real estate, and you can do a lot more with it. So all right, so let's take a look at the actual die. So it comes with a little label. They give you more than one label now so that you can do the inside, the outside, and I can't remember where else they said that we should use it. But here is the unique thing about this one. Not only does it come with the dies, but it also has an embossing folder. And then it has rub-ons. It has these arches, and there's 3 different sizes, and each one has a plain and then a dotted. And if I recall, these butterflies match the embossing folder. So there, and there. So after you cut, then you can emboss, which I thought was cool. And then we've got these beautiful arches over here, and then tiny little foliage and some flowers. Butterflies also have the little bodies. And then our sayings are, let's see if I can do this. Hello, friend. Hugs and kisses. I think this one says much love. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe it'll show us here. No? Miss you. Yes, miss you. That's what it says. All right. Let's put this back. Let's get this. These transfers, let's see how many are in here. I don't think I've ever seen a kit that has transfers in them. So this is pretty cool. I don't know if there's 2 in here. Yeah, 2 sheets. And hopefully they're good quality, like Hero Arts ones are. All right, so that's our dies. Let's take a look at our paper. Ooh. This one right off the top, look at that, it's an ombre. Oh my gosh, that is gorgeous. Ooh, all of these are looking nice. All right, let's get, oh, that's a thick one. Ooh, this blue is pretty too. And they're soft. They're glittery, but they're I can't explain it. It's like a satiny, glittery, if that makes any sense. All right, so Arabian Nights glitter card, Indian Summer mirror card, it says there's a classic. All right, that's that. Oh, here it is. I was going to say it says there's a teal. Teal blue classic, navy dazzle, in a pearlescent, Aberdeen purple in classic, raspberry pink. Okay, that's the purple, and then the pink, raspberry pink. I'm missing one. There must be another two stuck together. Oh, yep, hold on. There's the pink. No, that's coral. That's the pink, that's coral. And then we've got Inca Gold Mirror, Petal Pink here in the mirror card. So that's a nice selection. I love this. All right, so that's our paper. Let me get this back in here. And then let's see what goodies we have in the bag. We have a, excuse me, a blush rosette, a subtle rose gold shimmer pin. That's pretty. Oh, I grabbed two things at one time. Nouveau Crystal Dots in, it says metallic. Oh, Violet Galaxy. Crystal Drops metallic. Ugh, Violet Galaxy. I was gonna say that does not look. And, oh, white gel pens. That is great because I don't know how many. I get a white gel pen and then before you know it, I use it a couple of times and then it doesn't work again. Ooh, embellishment mousse. Ooh, that is interesting. What is this? Mother of Pearl. I have a bunch of different embellishment, and I think we did a video a long time ago about them and how, you know, they're so pretty you don't want to use them, but you better use them because if not, you're going to lose them. And I know if I go back in my case, there's some that are beyond help. So I will be using this, not treasuring it. All right. So let me know if, in comments, if you got this one or if you have ever gotten one of their kits. The thing that I like about them is that they don't pressure you. You know, I mean, I probably the last year got maybe 2 out of 12 kits. And you just go in and say, skip this month. They never harass you. They never tell you, well, we're going to cancel your subscription or whatever. And so, unless you cancel it yourself, you're always active and you're always getting your discount if you purchase other things because you do belong to the club. And that's a nice to be able to do because I know a lot of the other ones like Spellbinders, if you cancel, you can't just skip a month or pause a month. You have to cancel and then you have to re-sign up if you want the next one or whatever, so you're constantly having to think and make those decisions. And then while you're not active, you don't qualify for your discount. So and so Tonic is very generous doing that. They're like Stampin' Up! Is that way with their paper pumpkin kits. You just skip, you know, you don't have to jump through hoops or anything. So, all right, so this one is called Butterfly Frames, and it is 91. And you know, I think the first kits when I started with them were in the early 30s or mid 30s, and now they're 91. I can't believe it. Oh, goodness. All right, so leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this one. Let me know if you have subscribed in the past, if you're a current subscriber, and if you got this one. I am anxious to give this one a go, and I think I will do a video on it because it does have so many different things and techniques and things to use. But I am going on vacation next week, so it won't be probably till the following week. There will be videos, but there won't be, you know, deep. It won't be an hour and 50 minutes like this past Monday's video was. That one was crazy. So, all right, so that's it. Leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. And like I said, I will put this at the top of the list. But this is this month, so I wanted to get this in because it is still available if it's something that you're interested in. So, all right, so that's it. Thanks for stopping by, and until next time, stay safe, stay well, and happy crafting. Bye-bye.